homies, it's your girl Alethea coming back with another video. And in this video we are doing an update on Pumpkin's hair. It has been September made a year and it is December, so that's what, 13, 14, 15 months, and I'm about to do a retightening on her hair. The last time I did a retightening was when I showed y'all her hair the last time. I don't braid and band her hair anymore, and her hair does feel kind of dry. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to shampoo her hair, and once I shampoo it, I am going to condition it today and let some conditioner sit in there for a few minutes, and hopefully, you know, it won't penetrate and I can get it out and all that good jazz, and just keep on running water down her head until we get it to where we need to get it to. So I do want to do that today, just to hopefully put a little moisture. Then she does have a little dandruff, so we're just using, let me show y'all what we're using. Okay, so the shampoo is downstairs, but it's the Suave Daily Clarifying Shampoo, and I'm just going to use the Suave Daily Clarifying Conditioner. I bought this because I do my friend's daughter's hair with braids, so I bought the conditioner to use on her hair, but I figured with the fact that Pumpkin's hair feels kind of dry, and I'm going to put oil on it of course, but I'm going to go ahead and use a little bit of conditioner today. And I don't have any more open ends on her hair. I don't see any open ends on her hair, and that hurts, that tickles, that hurts or something. Okay, anyway, she's not up to you. If you guys see my blog, then you'll know she lost her grandmother. Her grandmother died in a house fire day before yesterday. Today is Saturday. Well, yesterday morning actually they pronounced her dead at 12 o'clock midnight, so please do pray for my baby. And yeah, so all right you guys, so I have shampooed and conditioned Pumpkin's hair, and let me show y'all that up close, because as you can see, she has you'll see she has a lot of new growth. Hold your head, tilt your head back a little bit. One of the reasons why she has so much new growth, I can stick a whole finger through there. But one of the reasons why she has a lot of new growth, because she's been wearing wigs, and so, you know, I wasn't retightening her hair, so I did condition it, and I do like the way it feels. She does have a little turn. She did get a little dryness right here from where she had a little flake, so we'll get rid of that in due time. And here's what this side is looking like. We just spent like 15 minutes looking for my lock supplies because I couldn't figure out what I'd done with them. I don't know, and here's the trip part. I kept overlooking them. Couldn't figure out what I'd done with them, but I kept overlooking them. So I'm going to start down here at this quadrant. I don't know why, but for some reason I always start down here on this quadrant down here to the right. So I'm not going to show all of these, of course, as you all know, but I am just going to do a couple of them for those of you that may be new and wonder about my rotation. Now with her hair, with some people's hair I do a 4-point rotation. With her hair I started doing the 2-point rotation like I do with my hair. And to see, this is the thing I do to see which way I should go next. So like here, which means this, if I go through here with this lock starting off first, she'll have like a little hole, because this right here, the way the hair is going, I don't know how to explain it, but I can tell the little gap is there. So what I would do with this one is start off going down first and then go to the right. So like I said, I do a 2-point rotation on her hair, just like I do a 2-point rotation on my hair. And with some people's hair, I'll do a 4-point rotation. And I was doing a 4-point rotation on her hair, but then I started doing the 2-point rotation. And I can go in here one more time. And boom, there we go. Not too tight, not pulling or anything. These little hairs right here, I can sit up and try to pull those into her lock, but that's unnecessary. That's just extra tension, and I don't want to do that. And so I just make sure no hair is marrying. Put this in. Let's check to see which way I need to go. This one, I need to go to the right, because this is where the flat part is, so to speak. So if I go in here, I'm going to put a hole there. So I'm going to go into the right. Go down. You on the phone with Janai, got her listening to me explain this stuff in my business. You in my business? Don't do that. Okay, so there's that one. So now, you get the gist of it. So you got to make sure when you're interlocking that you don't cause holes, and that's how I do not cause holes, by seeing which way. So this one, I need to go in from the right because this is where the flat part is. Like basically if I go in right here, I would cause a hole. So let's go in from the right. And you always want to make sure you go into the middle of the hair, and you want to take your tool and go down to the hair as much as possible, and then go back through, and then go through there. All right, so there's that one. All right, you guys, so here we are about 30 minutes later, and we are done with this half of her head. Turn around, Pumpkin. So we're done with all of these. And I don't know at what point or how I did it, but her middle part, can you hold your head over? It doesn't go all the way back. I didn't know I did that. So I told her I could take them down to make, and she said,
yeah, she said no, that's what she said.
Okay, but anyway, so y'all look at this little hang time. Look at my favorite hair is doing the thing with these little locks. So I'm going to moisturize her hair, of course, when I get done. It's usually pretty quick for me to do her hair. So yeah, I mean, I know she's probably gonna start back wearing her wigs, but I want her to wait at least about 2 weeks before she puts some wigs on her head.
No, I want new wigs.
You're not gonna wear wigs right now? Okay, so that's what she says right now.
Why? I want new wigs.
So I'm about to do this side of her head, and then I'm going to cook dinner so we can eat. So, all right, but I just wanted to come in and give you guys a quick little update. And I couldn't tell where the camera was, but so I hope y'all got to see the couple of examples I did for you guys. Just in case, do y'all think we should do a couple more? Let's see, let's do a couple more. Let me see. So when I take the lock, and what I was trying to show you guys when I said the flat part, so like right here on her lock, you have this right here where you don't see hair. But if you look right here, you'll see there's like a little, that's as far as I can go. There's a little dip in there or whatever. That's where I can go in with my finger really good. Whereas here I can go in my finger, but not as good as here. Which means I don't need to go here with the lock because that'll cause a hole. So I need to go through here. So I need to start this one at the top. So, of course I go here. Go to the hair. Pull it through. Go here. Go to the hair. Pull it through. It's a little hard because the camera's at level with my hand. So this one right here was one that she kind of messed up. You see that little lump there that she kind of messed up when she got those box braids? So it's still kind of recuperating because of that. And I have to be really, really gentle with the ones like this until they get, you know, back strong because of that little hump and getting the hair to go through. I don't want to cause too much tension on that hair. And so then that's all I'm gonna go. I possibly could go another loop, but I'm gonna leave it right there at that. All right, so as you guys can see, we are now done. Let's look at the left side. Hold your head up a little bit, sit yourself up. Don't be so slouchy. So here's the left side. And let's turn. Here is the back. Let's turn. And here is the right side. Guys, when I tell you her hair does feel so much better since I put the conditioner on there. So I'm glad I did condition her hair. And y'all see I just sprayed it with my oil and rose water mixture. So here are her locks now at what, 12, 13, 14, 15. I think it's about 15 months, something like that. I couldn't do a before and after with this like this. I could have, but y'all saw the condition of her hair. She had her hair all kind of ways, and so yeah, My bad. But but this is where we're at now at this point. I think her growth has been awesome. I think her locks look great overall, besides those few, and those are getting back healthy. Those few that were messed up, we have no holes or anything like that in her locks because I make sure of that. So thank you guys so much for the support. We appreciate it. Give this video a like and leave any comments you have down in the description box. And share this video. Sharing is caring. So make sure you share this video across all your social media sites. And so until the next time and in between time, you ladies and gentlemen, be safe, and we will do what? That's okay. That ain't gonna work. Catch you on the flip side. Bye.